This video is about showing you how to connect your Sermon Studio live stream functionality to the phone live streaming platform. So this will allow you not only to send your stream to your own website through players we provide, but simultaneously to your Facebook page, your YouTube page, but also allow your audience to dial in. So for those that don't have an internet connection, they can simply use their phone to enjoy one of your live streams. Okay, I'm going to take this from the top just to show you how easy this is from the first step to the last step. So here I am in a Sermon Studio dashboard. I'm going to go into my master live episode, and I'm going to set up my studio to stream through OBS to the Sermon network. So I'm going to go into my stream credentials. I'm going to copy my server address. I'm going to open my OBS. I have my devices, my sources all selected here. I'm going to go into settings. And then once in settings, I'm going to go into stream, and I'm going to place my server address into OBS. And I'm going to go back and copy the stream name from my Sermon Studio back into OBS and paste that in. That's all. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my phone live stream account to my Sermon Studio simulcasting feature. So within my phone live stream account that I have created, I'm going to go into its RTMP settings section. Therein, you're going to find the server and stream key. So I'm going to copy this server address, right-click copy, go back into my Sermon Studio, and now within my Master Live Episode simulcast section, this is where I connect my Sermon Studio to my phone live streaming account. So I'm going to paste the server address into the appropriate spot, go back to phone live streaming, and copy the stream key, and then back into the studio and paste this stream key in. That's all. I am completely set up and ready to go. So now when I press start in my OBS live stream encoding software, this is going to send the stream, again, not only to the players that the Sermon Studio provides that you can embed directly into your website, but also to any simulcast destinations you have set up. So you can have your YouTube, your Facebook, but in this case, I just set up my phone live streaming. Okay, so we started our stream in OBS. Here we are in a Sermon Studio Media Center where I can watch the live stream. And what's going to happen now is phone live streaming is going to call my cell phone because last time I dialed in to listen to this account's live stream, it asked me if I wanted an automatic call every time this particular Sermon Studio account goes online.
This is a call to let you know that the Sermon Network is live. If you would like to no longer receive a phone call when the Sermon Network is live, please press 1 now, or just wait on the line for the stream. 1 second while we get you connected to the live stream.
And that's the entire process from beginning to end. Set up your stream in your RTMP encoding hardware or software, copy the stream credentials from your phone live streaming account into the simulcast section of your Sermon Studio's Master Live episode, and start the broadcast. Hope this information helps. Please let us know if you have any questions. We are here and always happy to assist. God bless, and bye for now.